So hello guys, this is how my chart looks like, right? Very disorganized, but it doesn't really matter. I know most people say, yeah, your chart is supposed to be clean and all that stuff. There's too much noise on the internet, but as long as you're making money, most people on the internet are not even making anything. Yeah, just focus on yourself. Just focus on yourself, man. So this video, I'm going to review the trades we had last week on GBPUSD. I think we had no loss. Am I right? Not so. Uh, I think I had one loss. Or one trade that did give us a result that we jumped in earlier, then later jumped in. Yeah, then I'm also going to review all the crypto trades we had today. Today I took one loss today on crypto, that is on SU, just because I ignored what Bitcoin was doing. And of course, Bitcoin is the indicator for crypto. And I took a loss, but I'm going to bounce back hard tomorrow. Today is a Saturday when I'm making this video. But tomorrow I'm going to bounce back with, I've already seen a trading opportunity on Solar now, then I've seen another trading opportunity on WorldCoin. But without wasting much time, let's break it down. Now, if you haven't signed up with Paperstone, that's the broker I use, guys. Tight spreads, fast withdrawals, they give you an agent that helps you handle your account details and all that stuff. That is Paperstone. It's the broker that I use, and you can sign up with Paperstone with the link in the description of this video. Now, if you want to join the trading community, the public group that we all trade together, where I share signals, you can, okay, they're not signals, but just my trade, what I'm looking at and all that stuff, you can check for the link in the same description below. And also the channel where I post all my setups and all that stuff description. Now, for the guys who want to join the private group, you DM me directly on Telegram. I'll reply to you. Yeah. So without wasting much time, let's go into the video. Now, today, uh, it being a Friday, the chat is closed, but we can review what happened last week. Now, guys, RSTL GBPUSD tends to come back to where it has begun from. Most times when there is no active news like NFP, right? NFP pushes this market so far. But if we have a calm market, it tends to come back to an area where the week began from. And we have seen that happen here. You can see it happen here too. And I think around here last week. Yeah, but you can backtest it. It tends to come back where the week began from. And we also know that's a strategy. The guys in the private group know that's a strategy that we use. Yeah. But look at this. We have this, I told you guys GBP would come back to the 61.8. If you want to go and watch the previous video that I posted about GU, came back and touched the 61.8, 61.8 area and started to melt. Of course, I expect it to melt further. I expect this trade to continue melting. And we're going to see that next week. Next week, we may have more sales on GBPUSD. But of course, we don't just say it's going to happen. We follow technicals. Technicals, we just see the previous price movements and look for future price movements and profit from that. Yeah. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame and also see what was there. Now you can see that the week began from here, flashed up, clear the 61.8 area and started melting. You can see the huge candles melting downside. When this action happened, we had a retracement and we benefited off of that retracement too. Yeah. Now, guys, there's one thing about GU. GU doesn't reward so many pips in a day. It rewards 50 pips, 50 pips minimum, unless it's a very slow day. Of which, if there is a range, expect a huge breakout. We're going to see that. Yeah. Expect a huge breakout when there's a range. I think we saw that last week. I always backtest my trades. Where is that move last week? I think it was this one. Was it this one? Let's get it clear. This one too was after, I think it was this. Bounced a lot, then later broke down. Then we had also this was a very easy trade. Yeah, but I didn't take it. Yeah. So every time we have a consolidation, there's always a breakout that is massive. You can see this one. There's one here this week. So let's go down to the 15-minute time frame and I show you guys the trades I took. Yeah. Now we have the week beginning from here. We have the week beginning from here, playing around. Breakout comes in, pushes to the upside, forms an M pattern, clears the 61.8 area, drops later on because of news. And we can see that, of course, the consolidation happens, then news has to finish that move. But what happens the next day? We're looking for retracement on GBPUSD. Down here, there's another block, guys. Just forgive me, I'm trying to speak faster because I have another meeting after this, but yeah. So there's an order block here. We have reasons why we're taking this trade up to the upside. I jump in from exactly this engulfing. Market plays around the whole day and the whole night. What happens? The next day still have confluences around this area, forms that W pattern and we buy. Now this was the breakout. This was the solid breakout in here. Massive move to the upside. I remember I shared this to the public group. Yeah. We bought this pair to this psychological level. Take profit was hit and hit that order block. I would have sold this market from here, but I wanted a very basic move. I wanted it to be so fast. I like taking trades that are fast. And you can see that I sent this set out. This was yesterday. First saw the first touch. I remember we first missed it a little bit. I think it was this. This was news. Missed it. Wanted to touch in there. And I told guys that, okay, let's wait for a retracement. Those who know the cost averaging system, we just kept adding positions until here. When we saw that engulfing, that was the confirmation, and we also had a discount price. That is the weak rejection. And news came in and just finished our move. So this was also another M pattern for us. The M pattern was touched at the psychological level. And you can see that when this psychological level was hit, market just reversed to the upside. I would have got this other buy because of this trend line. This is the trend line area, but I was already out of the chart. And you can see that the news that happened at 6 p.m. Uganda time pushed the market back to where the week began from. I always tell you guys, when you're selling from the week, know that chances are high you may lose that trade. Yeah. But if you're buying to go back to where the week began from, most times you're going to get that move correct. So I expect the market to consolidate a bit, then drop next week, because that's how GBPUSD moves. This is the only pair that I trade, guys. Yeah. So let's also see, I didn't really I looked at the XY only on Monday, but you can see that it was playing around. We had this analysis the other week, and it was just playing around. This was a pullback to an order block there, then the drop happened. So I expect the buy to begin happening again. So let's go to crypto a little bit. Now, I want you guys to sign up with Bybit. Bybit can help you put your trade on MT4 and trade crypto on MT4. Yeah. So just to analyze, these are the trades I had this week on crypto. I really enjoyed this week, but the reason why I took this sell was this loss was because I wasn't following the trend. I expected a reversal from a psychological level, but immediately I jumped in, trade faked me out, and came back to this psychological level. But I had trades during the week. I had this sell, and I had this nice easy sell. This was a very easy one. Break and retest on the trend line, broken trend line retested, and also structure there. Confirmation at this engulfing to the downside. Not using just technicals, no strategy at all. Same as this one now. I was expecting the breakout to the upside, but that did happen. I took that loss. Then Solana, I sent this out, but it didn't give us confirmation. I wanted this breakout. The breakout faked us out. Now we have a strategy that we always wait for break of structure. So I wanted it to break above, maybe retest here. But that didn't happen, just melted again. And right now it has touched a trend line. So this is where I'll be looking for trading. If I have a divergence here, let's see if it's there. Let's see if the divergence is there. Now we have that slight divergence there that may confirm to us a buy, but I want to see the break above this area for Solana to buy. But I expect more bearish movement because we have been having bullish movement of Bitcoin. But the major move for me is seeing Solana break out of here. Wow. I'll sell up to this order block. It's just what I'm waiting for. Back to the 80s. Yeah. So Phantom, let's see Phantom. I had an opportunity, but I didn't really take it. But I was supposed to continue selling this. Oh, sorry about that. I was just supposed to continue selling Phantom. Yeah, consider just respecting the technicals, small sells to the downside. Then WorldCoin has broken its all-time high. All-time high. I told you guys I happen to profit from the free WorldCoin tokens that were being given out. So WorldCoin has broken its all-time high. Hey, not yet, guys, not yet. Sorry. I thought this line was an all-time high, but that's a high. The all-time high is $5.2. So I expect it can just retrace this move. I know this is happening because of the speculation of an airdrop that is coming in on WorldCoin. But I expect that drop to happen when the airdrop is released because that's more supply, right? That indicates more supply uh, with a low demand. So if the supply is less, the price goes up. So right now, it's the reason of the surging prices. Of course, we analyze this buy from the scratch here. Let me show you guys that trade. I think I sent it out. The day jumped in on that buy on what? Okay. Damn. Now, I remember buying WorldCoin from the day it began that move from down here. And the reason for this buy was very easy. We have a break and retest. So this was like a W pattern. Yeah, I jumped in from around here. Sorry, this thing is wrongly misplaced. But I jumped in from, was around here. And you can see when it retested the psychological level, it was more uh, reasons for me to continue holding. And I got out from one of the psychological levels up there. But you can see that I missed out money and WorldCoin, I got out from here. WorldCoin just continued to pump to the upside. But I'm looking for it. If it shows an opportunity of selling, I'll be willing to sell it to a Fibonacci area. Let's see if there's a divergency. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay, there's a divergency. So I may be waiting for an indicator on Bitcoin that we're driving to the downside. And I want to see Bitcoin uh dump to clear that volume that left. Now today I ignored what happened on Bitcoin. That's a slight break and retest of the trend line. And I ignored it. This was it. But if Bitcoin pumps back to this area or this area, I'll be looking to short it down. Yeah. So we're just beginning to trade crypto in the private in mentorship group. Private guys will be getting the best tokens that I'm investing in. I'll be always sharing, yeah, in the private group. But we are having sessions, crypto trading sessions for free. That's on the channel, so you can just check for the link in the description. So sign up with Pepperstone, the trader that I use or the broker that I use. That's the best broker, guys. Then also Bybit. To reach a point when you have to copy trade, I can give you a copy trading for my crypto. And if you don't have a Bybit account, under our link, affiliate link in the description, you won't be able to profit. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, share, comment, yeah, and subscribe. So have a great trading week next week. I'll be sharing more setups. I'm going to have a profitable week, guys. So thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.